So apparently something colossal just landed in Rome. It's a massive statue which has been brought here on the Capitoline Hill. The inauguration is today. We are on the Capitoline Hill, one of the hills of Rome. When you see this white monument, the Vittoriano, we are right behind. And that is the City Hall. But now let's make a right. The Colossus is over there. Here you'll find this little terrace. This is called Piazzale Caffarelli and it offers one of the most beautiful and romantic views over the Rome skyline. Okay, the entrance to the venue, the place where the statue is right there. It's supposed to be in the courtyard, so as soon as we enter the arch, the gate, we're supposed to see it. I still haven't seen it. My expectations is that it will be a wow effect. Let's go. This is the Colossus of the Emperor Constantine and it's one of the most impressive pieces of antiquity. It's in fact a 12 meters high statue. His foot is 2 meters long and its head is 2.6 meters. But who was Constantine? Constantine was an ancient Roman emperor who lived in the 4th century AD. And it's remembered most of all for legalizing Christianity and other religions in the 300s. Anyways, why has this statue appeared here in Rome only now? Even the mayor is here. The original ancient Roman statue was lost. Until in the 1400s, some fragments were found near the Roman Forum in the Basilica of Maxentius. The head, the knee, the arm, in total 9 pieces. About 100 years later, these pieces were brought into the Palace of the Capitoline Museums. Let's jump forward to the year 2022. A team of experts of different backgrounds took the challenge to reconstruct this statue. They scanned these fragments and reproduced them in plaster. But that of course wasn't enough, and so they reconstructed the rest of the statue digitally. The whole statue was then physically recreated with plaster, styrofoam and bronze powder. You can also see the junction lines of the pieces. That is so we can understand what are the pieces of the statue that still exist and which ones were totally reconstructed digitally. Would you be able to tell this is not marble if you didn't know? This feeling of standing in front of such an imposing sculpture like this, is it the same feeling that people felt back then, 2,000 years ago? Ci sei?
Sì, I think it's incredible.
Do you think we are feeling the same feeling of back then?
Probably not. I think there was probably more fear back then.
That's a good point.
Penso che provassero amore e odio, come sempre nella politica.
Some are criticizing the fact that this will create a sort of Disneyland effect because it's not 100% real. However, I think that these kind of works help everyone understand what something that is lost used to look like.